Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Backup option and tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. As you can see, I've got it saved, so let me just tap on it. But just a quick disclaimer, if you're entering your email, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now I have to enter the password. Let me do this out of the screen. Alright, just tap on next. Here you have to decide who will be using this device, so I'll stick with the first option. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got some info about the backup. So as you can see, you are able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps, database data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want, you can tap on more details to learn more. Under it, you can check that your device will backup the data automatically, will also store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. If for some reason you do not want to backup the data right now, just tap on Not Now, and you will be transferred to this system section. But no worries, if you will decide that you want to, just tap on Backup and you will be transferred directly to this step. So I just wanted to show you that you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the account. So let's tap on Turn On and you will be transferred to the options connected to the backup. So as you can see, you can check the account storage, how much space you've got left. Here under it you've got some backup details, so how much data has been backed up from the photos, videos, apps, and so on and so on. What's more, here you've got the settings which are connected with the backing option, let's say. Here you can decide if you want to use the mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off because you may be charged if you're using the mobile data. So all you have to do right now is to simply backup now. Of course, enter the screen lock, and as you can see, your device is backing up your data. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Motorola Edge 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.